have lots of video, and then mostly right now it's still gonna be, you know, what the West has, you know, YouTube and things like that. But if we're able to train, you know, the students to start producing mashups and things like that, now they have a repository and a distribution mechanism for their own video. Okay, and then later on what will happen is, okay, CCP will be the, I call it now, for lack of a better term, okay, the anchor content. So there'll be parang the premium partner for culture and arts, the premium partner for science, the premium partner for math, etc., etc. So CCP will be one of maybe a dozen anchor content, whether it's for tertiary level or basic education. Kasi you're the premier in terms of culture and arts. So whoever is your equivalent in science, whoever your equivalent is in English, etc., we'll try to invite them and get them also on this thing. So the sponsorship angle will be parang maybe for the bigger thing, and then all the other content partners will share in whatever we are able to get to finance the different development. Kasi the key here is that all the anchor content will regularly upload new stuff, whether it's, you know, twice a year you're uploading, every quarter you're uploading, so that from a school point of view, there's something fresh every time we go to the anchor content site. And then once, so this is how it would look like.
Okay, what I'd like to show now is premium content partners.
So let's say this is a local, this is, let's say, in a campus. So the content partners would be another folder, okay, in the local Wikisium site of the university. And then they just click. Okay, he thinks he went to the CCP site already, but it's actually in the clone server that they have, which has Wikisium.
So, bale, paano nila? So, as far as the...
So we've been raising sponsorship from you know, private sector, etc., etc. So the question now is, how many content partners will be there that will be able to accommodate or for that ecosystem, for this audience, and then how we distribute it to the members of that ecosystem. This is for the Wikisium side, no? Because you will have a CCP side, which is really just CCP.
Yeah.
Diba? So that's up to you on how you want to, that model for just the CCP side. But what I'm saying is, on top of that, there can be additional outlets and additional revenues from doing it, you know, in conjunction with Wikisium and other anchor content partners.
Well, what I'm saying is, siguro, I can see that maybe we have, with looking at a pilot project for this at February 6th, we might not actually need any kind of
sponsorship
of money spa at this point.
For February.
It's more like our expertise and our content put together in February. But we're looking at this as a project that we need to develop across 3 years, maybe to 5 years to really to its full, maybe let's say a 3 year thing. What else will we need? What kind of budgets do we need to put up? What kind of items do we need to put up to make this functional, and how does it translate into cost? The idea siguro is maybe to pin down ano ba yung largest cost natin dito, at saka malaman din namin what kind of monies are we trying to raise.
What I can see, the biggest would be community building. It's not about technology, it's not about software, it's not about, the content, etc. It's how we, let's say, have a road show, an event here, a seminar here, and things like that, to get people to realize ay, nag-iba na nga pala yung mundo, mas madali pala, at saka mas maano pala.
Parang advocacy.
Yeah.
For digital,
Yes.
But of course, we also need to pay you at some point, for because you spend time. So these are the kind of things that I need to look at. We need not only you, but at some point we don't have right now. We don't have a full staff for it, so we might need to bring in more people to work on it in whatever way. So maybe thinking along those terms.
Yes.
But the first